Here's a cool project for you. We are taking acrylic rods and making flight stands for miniatures. Hey guys, what's going on? Michael here. So I've got a great little project to elevate your gaming table. See what I did there? So I ordered these acrylic rods off of Amazon. They're 1-inch diameter, 24-inch long acrylic rods. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create flight stands for miniatures for tabletop gaming. So my idea with this is to mark out each inch on these rods so that I can actually tell how high those miniatures are sitting based off of a 1 inch equals 5 foot length. So that's what I'm going to do to start with, is I'm going to mark out these 1 inch intervals. And after I get those marked, what I'll do is I'm actually going to take a PVC pipe cutter and I'm going to roll that around the rod to create our mark. So I have two different styles. I have a small and I have a large pipe cutter. The smaller one is used for tight quarters, but it has a blade that is a little duller, as I find out later in the video, and I switch over to the larger one. But whatever you have should do the job. Here you can see me making the mark around one of these acrylic rods. Get it lined up very precisely and then tighten down your pipe cutter just enough so that when you roll it, you'll score a line all the way around the acrylic rod. You want to do this in stages. If you tighten it down too much in the first shot, you have a chance of cracking your acrylic rod. So this is exactly what we're going for here. We've got our grooves cut all the way around the rod. Now it's just time to go the entire length of this and the other two rods. As you can see, the process went much faster with the pipe cutter that I had that had the sharper blade to it. So here we have our last few marks. Once these are made, we're ready to take the finished rods over to the bandsaw out in the shop and start cutting them up. We'll discard the end, which is not quite an inch, and then we will cut these into lengths every inch, starting at 10 inches long, going back to 1 inch. And I'll duplicate the 3-inch long, the 2-inch long, and the 1-inch long pieces because I think those will be the most commonly used. My bandsaw makes quick work of cutting all of these to length, but it doesn't leave the ends perfectly smooth. So after we're done with the last couple of cuts, we'll take these over to a sanding wheel and just polish the ends slightly. I'm using a 320 grit paper just to polish off the burr from the ends of each of these cuts. If I wanted to polish it up to a mirror-like shine, I might go as fine as 3000 grit or use a polishing compound on a leather honing strop. And here we have the finished product. Perfect for an encounter with wild griffins or for the wizard in your party that casts fly every time you go into an encounter. I love how these are graduated so you can tell exactly how high things are off of your gaming table, and I think these will make an excellent addition to anyone's game night. Hey, if you like these videos and want to help me keep making them, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button.